Hey everyone, my name is Elijah Lowe. Today I'm going to show you my final project for CSIS 10B. Um, it's an evil Hangman game, and I'd like to show it to you today. So it consists of two files, which is the evil hangman game.java and the dictionary.txt file. And I'm going to mention the .txt file first because it's smaller. So it's just a list of 300 words that the evil hangman game is gonna access. So it picks one word as the answer to when you play hangman, and you're gonna see that later. So I have my imports here. That's cool and all. I have tree map, I have queue to like set up my hash map and my queue, priority queues, whatever. I have my initialized variables here. They're all private. I guess they each have their own separate role here, but like word list, it holds while it's still in the evil hangman game file. It holds all the words from dictionary.txt file while the game is played. The current word list holds the possible words each time the game is ran. The remaining guesses, it tracks the remaining guesses, the guess letters. It holds all guess letters, word length, determines word length. Remaining words shows how many words are left. Original pattern shows it stores the original pattern when it's all said and done. And the guest letters queue, it queues up the guest letters. So going down, I'm just going to go through here really quick. This is the constructor here that initializes all the variables. So we have word list, current word list, remaining guesses, which is all 8 that are all mentioned up here. So that's pretty cool. Excuse me. So going down, public void start game, which is the start game function. It essentially starts the game, like the name says. This here loads the dictionary and allows access to the dictionary.txt file. This allows user input, and this initiates gameplay. So the load dictionary, which is called up here, it loads words from the dictionary.txt file into the word list, which is in the in this file, which is the evil hangman game.java. Wow. Okay, cool. Going down, get input was also called up here, and so was play game. I'm gonna go to it later, but get input, the job of get input here is to just get user input from for word length, the number of guesses, and the purpose of displaying the remaining words that could be the answer. Yeah, this is for the word length here. This is for the number of guesses right here. And to display the remaining words that could be the answer is right here. And it asks the user if they want to see the remaining words or not here. Yes or no. So that's cool. This here is just pretty minor. I mean, everything's pretty important, but this is probably one of the lesser mentioned parts. It just checks if the word list contains the acquired words from the dictionary.txt that has a specific word length. So yeah, pretty cool. Oh, I don't know why this is here. Let's fix that. So the public void play game, it just resets. This is the main part of it, I guess, where it plays the game for you. Right here, these two parts resets guest letters in the word list every time the game is played again and again. Going down, yeah, we have this little while loop here. Not really minor, but not really tiny, but you kind of get it. It shows the guesses remaining guest letters in the current word each time you play. Right here, it just checks if the user has a valid input. So it sees whether or not you put in a character that is from A to Z. And then even if it's uppercase, it just changes to lowercase as it's said here. Yeah, so that's pretty cool. You can see that. This here, it just checks if you get the right, if you actually got the right word, it just tells you, congrats, you guessed the word. And then just keep going. Or if you don't, if you lose, let's say this is if you lost, let's say that, and this is if you win. So that's cool. Right here, it just updates the word pattern based on each guess, which you're gonna see later. This here just reads different categories of the words. So, word lengths, if it contains a certain letter. Right here, just keep going down. This generates the pattern for the guess word. It checks if the input character is in the answer, and you're gonna see that later as well. Here, for each word being read from the word list, there's a space for each word, just to see the words apart from each other. And like, you know, like, let's say you had 3 words like store, like the word store, cool, and equip. They have a space because of this method. If this method didn't exist, it would just be like this, store cool whip, which is sloppy. Alright, let's keep going. This just checks if the word has already been guessed. This just asks the user if they want to play again. So here is like, do you want to play again? Boolean, yes, no, maybe so. And this is just a main method. Oh, this is just a main method here. Which should always exist. So that's pretty cool. That's pretty much it for the code. So, I guess it's time to run it. So let's say, let's go back to the top here so it doesn't look sloppy. So if we enter the word length, let's say 6, and the number of guesses is going to be like, let's play it safe, like 10. And if I want to show the remaining words, yes, I do want to see, because I'm a cheater. Excuse me, I'm not a cheater. That sounds so bad, but whatever. There are 46 words with 10 letters. Yeah, that sounds about right. With 6 letters in them. So I'm gonna guess E. Does it have E? Only 13 of them do. I'm gonna guess N. So only 8 of them have E and N. E and N. Let's see if our word that we're trying to find has O. So only 4 of them have E, N, or an O. So let's keep going. Let's try C. Alright, so our word doesn't have C. It's either going to be uglify or guitar. Why don't we try T? And we got it. We shrunk it down to one word left until we only had 1. So the current word that we were trying to find was uglify. And do you want to play again? Press yes or no. Let's press yes again. Enter the word length. Let's try 9. Enter the number of guesses. Let's play it safe again. 10. Show remaining words. Yeah, sure, why not? So we can see it again. And there are 16 words with 9 characters. So we enter our guess. Let's put N this time. There are 8 words with N. How many? Let's keep going. Let's say E. And then let's go A. And we got it. We shrunk it down to 1 word. And do you want to play again? No, because we already won. We already won twice. Pretty money. Yeah, that's pretty much it. This was a really interesting project to do. I'm gonna go ahead and press no. That's gonna end the game. There you go.